The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a timeless classic in the realm of personal finance and wealth building. Written in the form of parables set in ancient Babylon, this book imparts essential financial principles through the experiences of its characters. The book consists of a series of short stories, each delivering a valuable lesson on money management and financial success. In this summary, we will explore the key lessons and concepts presented in the book. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. The book begins with the story of Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who shares his wisdom on accumulating wealth. Arkad emphasizes the importance of saving at least 10% of one's income before spending on anything else. He advocates paying oneself first by setting aside a portion of earnings for future investments. 2. Make thy gold multiply. Arkad teaches that saving money alone is not enough. One must make their money work for them. He encourages people to invest their savings wisely, seeking profitable opportunities that align with their expertise and risk tolerance. The key is to generate passive income through investments. 3. Guard thy treasures from loss. This chapter focuses on risk management and advises against putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification and spreading investments across various asset classes can help protect your wealth from unexpected losses. 4. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. The importance of homeownership and property investment is highlighted. Owning property can provide a source of income, stability, and a sense of security. However, it also stresses the need to carefully select properties and manage them efficiently. 5. Ensure a future income. Arkad explains the significance of planning for retirement and securing a future income stream. He advises setting aside a portion of earnings for later years and wisely investing these funds to ensure financial security in old age. 6. Increase thy ability to earn. The book underscores the importance of continuous self-improvement and education. Investing in yourself through acquiring new skills, knowledge, and expertise can lead to higher income earning potential. 7. Guard thy future from inflation. The concept of inflation and its eroding effects on savings is discussed. Arkad suggests investing in assets that can outpace inflation, such as businesses or assets that appreciate in value over time. 8. Make thy gold work for thee. Arkad emphasizes the need to seek advice from knowledgeable individuals when making financial decisions. Wise counsel can prevent costly mistakes and lead to more successful investments. 9. Increase thy ability to earn. The book highlights the value of perseverance and determination in achieving financial success. It encourages readers to overcome obstacles and setbacks, learning from failures and staying committed to their financial goals. 10. Start thy purse to fattening. The final chapter reiterates the importance of consistently saving and investing, closing the book with a reminder that anyone can achieve wealth by following these timeless principles. In summary, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason offers practical and enduring financial advice through the use of engaging stories set in ancient Babylon. The lessons taught by Arkad and other characters serve as a roadmap to financial prosperity, emphasizing the importance of saving, investing, risk management, and continuous self-improvement. This book remains relevant and valuable for anyone seeking to improve their financial literacy and build lasting wealth.